sa next bout, please be on the mat. We have Berenguel Rian Patrick of BCE, Aka, and Gampi Mackenzie of Mambaling Elementary School. Announcement, 9 to 10 years old Kata boys, please be on the staging area. We have Pinote Mike Aitan of BCE, Aka, Boris Cash Daniel of San Nicolas Elementary School, Ao, Sobrio Leo Tristan, Aka, Mambaling Elementary School, Pansenko Van Chenderson of Tisa Elementary School, Ao, Pasay Nathan of Punta Elementary School, Aka, Labora Mike Kiamlord of River Elementary School. Next, Cortez Jaman Axel, Aka, Gabato Jaco Roque, Ao, Diaz Chris Luke, Aka, and Miralias Lexus Rodi, Ao. Winner, Aka, we have Berenguel Rian Patrick of BCE.